Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to crank out multiple quiz videos with Canva and AI? I'll show you how. Click the Create button, then choose Custom Size from the options. Enter 300 by 300 pixels as your dimensions. After setting the size, click the Create button again to start your new project with these settings. Select the Elements panel in your software, then find and operate the video element by clicking or dragging it into your project timeline. To create a quiz from a video, first select the Quiz Maker option. Click on the Quizmaker app to open it. Next, enter your desired quiz topic in the text field provided. This will help you start building your quiz. Type your keywords such as best anime, followed by the year, like 2026, and the number of items you want, such as 10. This search format helps narrow your results to exactly what you're looking for, making it easier to find lists of the top 10 anime for that specific year. Select the number of questions you want to include. Next, enter the number of answer choices for each question. This determines how many possible answers will be displayed. You can also choose to allow multiple selections or mix different types of answer choices as needed. Adjust these settings to customize the quiz format according to your preferences and requirements before continuing. To generate a quiz from multiple selections, start by selecting the items you want to include. Hold the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each item to select more than one. Once your selections are complete, locate the Generate Quiz button on the toolbar. Click on it to create a quiz using your selected items. This feature allows you to quickly build customized quizzes based on your chosen content with just a few simple steps. Wait for the process to complete. This step may take some time, depending on your system and internet connection speed. Do not close the application or interrupt the process while it is running. Once finished, you will see a confirmation message indicating the process is done. Now we'll answer question 20 about the 6 annuities in your file. Read the question carefully and consider how it relates to character development. Select the most accurate answer choice from the options provided. Once you've chosen, click the Submit button to save your response. Click the Add to Design button to insert the selected element into your project. This will place the item directly onto your canvas, allowing you to position, resize, and customize it as needed for your design. Click the Discuss button next to the question you want to address. If you need to place this discussion on hold, select the Hold option. This action pauses the conversation and allows you to revisit it later. Use this feature for questions that require additional information or input before continuing. Once you have the necessary details, you can return to the discussion at any time and proceed with resolving or answering the question as needed. Delete the empty slide by selecting it in the Slide Sorter or Thumbnail panel. Right-click on the slide, then choose Delete Slide from the context menu. This will remove the blank slide from your presentation. Now, make sure the slides labeled Question 1, Question 7, and Question 8 remain in order. Review the presentation to confirm all necessary slides are included and arranged correctly. We already have our questions listed, but they're not in the correct order. To rearrange them, click and drag each question to its desired position in the list. This will help ensure your questions are organized properly before you move on to the next steps. Drag and drop your content into the desired location, making sure the sequence is correct. Once everything is in place, click the Share button, then select Download from the options. You'll see several download formats available. Choose either PNG for image files, PDF print if you need a high-quality document, or save your project as a PowerPoint file for presentations. Select the format you need and complete the download process. Let's take a look now. Now you can bulk create quiz videos using Canva and AI. Enjoyed this tip? Hit like and subscribe for more creative hacks.